the bird would come up and try to like get in our faces. Okay, so I'm gonna try and see if I can get this chicken, rooster, whatever, to follow me. Since I have his food in a bag. And it's gonna probably be heavy as hell. And if I had a scooper, I wish I could flip this. My goodness. And I've already been out in the barn like twice already. Oh crud. Try and get this to. I don't have a pop socket. So. Trying to see where's the opening. Okay. There's so much food here. See? And I'm going to keep on dropping it. But I'm going to show you where I'm going to leave this bird food or chicken food at. I'm trying to hurry before it rains again. Oh, wow. See, he's like right there. And I put it in here. One thing I need to do is move this water hose. This was also the place where the goat was. But he died like, what was it, a couple months ago, I think. Great. I'm really gonna need a bath. Yeah, I'm trying to move this out of the way. Here. So I can move, oops, what you call it, out of the way. Try to see if I can get him in here. So that way, when he gets in here, then I can shut the gate. And there's like a little opening here, but it can't really get out, so. Oh shoot, there is an opening. But I really doubt they can get through this. Oh geez. Yeah, that's gonna really be hard. Yeah, this is where most of the chickens were at, and I don't know exactly where. I mean, the goat was in here. And yeah. Yeah. Horse is in her barn. Chloe. Hey, pretty girl. Staying out the weather. Yeah. Well, this is just a lovely angle. So, I don't know if I made any like video clips of this bird, but I'm going to tell y'all a little bit about this bird. I think I probably told you about this bird, but if I haven't, please forgive me. I apologize if I have not talked to y'all about this bird, which is an emu. And usually they're very wild, you know, creatures, animals, whatever. And apparently they're the other owner's pet. And for a while, you know, since we've been going over to the barn where the horses is, anytime we try to go over there to either feed her or whatever, or if we come up to the fence, excuse me, the bird would come up and try to like get in our faces and try to attack us. It hasn't really tried to attack me, but it'll get like trying to really get close to me, and I'm like, dude, I don't have anything. Either I have to like try to step up and try to tell him to get back. And I'm like, I don't know how to respond to or tell the emu. Either I, might have, told him to get back. I don't have anything. So he understands when I say I don't have anything, he just like stops and he walks away. But with my babes is going over there and he tries to feed the horse, the emu would try to come in to attack him. And I wish I would have gotten on video yesterday what he was trying to do when he was, after he just fed the horse and he tried to shut the gate. The bird was on the other side of the gate or door, fence, whatever. And as soon as he shut that gate, the bird started charging at him. And it's like, I wish I would have gotten this on video. So yeah, we watched like a lot of videos about the emu, and we've been watching videos on horses. But yeah, I can't wait until he comes get this emu, which he's supposed to come sometime today, and I can't wait to start this new journey, having a horse, try to take care of her and do groundwork with her. And oh, excuse me, oh my Lord, I'll be right back. So yeah, it's already 4:06. I'm just waiting until the guy comes here, and come get the bird. And I'm just so excited to be able to get to go over there and spend time with Chloe. Since before we came here, her name was Soda Pop. I don't know why they named her Soda Pop, like after a soda can. So yeah, whenever he gets here, I'm gonna try and get this on video. So, but I'm not gonna mention his name. So, I want to keep that confidential. So the bird is finally gone. They came like around 6:30, like an hour ago. They like literally had a hard time trying to get the bird out, and now she's like a little upset. We see like little tears coming down, and yeah, she's like a little bit upset right now. So yeah, we're just gonna give her time to heal. So I guess she was pretty close to the bird. I'm trying to test out my camera, but my watch is being retarded. How about that? Usually my watch will work, sometimes it won't. It's been a while since I, you know, made a vlog. Since last time I vlogged, whenever that day was. It might have been like last month, probably. I mean, it's already, what, August 22nd? It's like, man, September is like almost around the corner. Fall is like almost here. I cannot wait for fall. That's air conditioned. And right now I am about to go feed the horse. So now I can finally go feed the horse. Because a couple weeks ago, if y'all remember the bird that used to be over here at the barn, I was kind of like, never, you know, been around a wild animal, you know, especially an emu. And the owner that used to live here came and got him, and he had been, like, last week finally got most whatever stuff that he needed to get out of the two-car garage shed, which is right over here. That's a two-car garage shed, and here's the barn. I don't know what the A means, but I guess when they used to live here, they put A for, you know, last name, or their last name. So, all right, let's go ahead and go feed the horse, and I'll show y'all what I do. This could be kind of difficult. Usually, if I had a key, I go through the fence. But since I don't have a key, I just climb over the gate. Ugh. And climb over like that. And if Chloe hears me, she'll come. And I wish I could get this on video, like how she comes. And seemed like this part right here got wet. But mostly she sleeps around here. Usually she's supposed to sleep here, but usually she likes to eat here. And we have a blue bucket here to put her food in. And oh, gravy, that has water in it. One second. She's like way out there. Look at her. It's like, I wish I could zoom in on this side, but yeah. Let me check out this other bucket real quick. See if it has water in it. Yeah. I don't know why there's water in this bucket, but I'm gonna try and see if I can put my phone somewhere so y'all can see what I do. Oh, she heard that one. Sure I got everything out. I'm gonna get you a little bit more. Just a tad bit. So I'm trying to fill it up to the top. Yeah, I got her like 2 bags. So that way she'd be good for a couple weeks. And usually we feed her Sometimes,
Mom, where are you phone at?
my phone?
Yeah.
Over here recording. You have to wait a minute. I'm vlogging.
I need actual permission.
Oh, you're buying an app?
Yeah.
Alright, give me a minute.
The running app.
Oh, running app, okay. Yeah, so we feed her twice a day. And
Does he not get lunch?
no, she only gets feed twice a day because she eats grass. Yeah, she graze a lot. All right, just give me a minute. Yeah, we feed her twice a day, and looks like she's probably pooped over here. Let's put some more, maybe some more bedding down. Let's give her some more bedding, and I made a video last time how it looked before. I mean, it was just. Here. It's like, y'all don't know what I'm talking about. So this doll here used to be piled to poop, like, almost like from here. But it looked like she pooped over there. But it looked like she probably had stepped in it. That's what I'm thinking. It looks like she probably has stepped in it or something, or maybe she had diarrhea. I don't know. I'll have to ask Carl. But yeah, we've been trying to get her cleaned, and I only rode on a horse twice in my lifetime. And you keep on pestering me about the dang app. All right, just give me a minute. This whole summer he has been doing that. Yeah, so I haven't really got to ride her yet. And
Your road hurts.
yeah, I bet. And right now we're just, knowing to, spend time with her, hang out with her, and of course feed her. And we got her a harness and a lead rope, and also got her some shampoo. Like, we haven't really tried to give her a bath yet because she's not comfortable with us yet, but I also got her one of these, which is kind of like a squeegee. And we also got her this red thing that picks up her poop and everything. And this thing here is to like comb her, especially when she has like not dead skin, but mostly like when she's shedding. And but yeah, I usually wear, oops, hold on a second, can't even record. I usually wear these boots, which I got them like maybe 4-5 years ago, maybe. And when we were living in Humcoast at the time. And let's see, what else did we get her? I think that's about it. I don't see anything else over here that we got for her. I don't know what he did with her harness. And this is her brush. That was already here. Like, what the heck do you do with her harness and lead rope? Oh, it's over there. I can't point. Here, right there. Okay. Yeah, this is her brush. Like if she wants to be brushed. Usually she'll let me. She don't mind. Huh, baby girl? You don't mind. She don't mind. Oops. She don't mind if I brush her. Yeah. such a good girl. Yeah. Also, she always has dirt. She is so dirty. Look at that. Hopefully pretty soon, whenever she gets, you know, used to me. Oops, sorry, baby. Whenever she gets used to me giving her a bath. I mean, this is the only thing that she has right now, you know. And I don't know how long it's been since last time she has been bathed. And, but yeah, she is such a beautiful horse. And her first name was, you know, of course, Soda Pop at the time. But we changed it to Chloe. I think Chloe sounds more prettier than Soda Pop. Like, who wants a Soda Pop? You can't drink her. Yeah. So, oh, and another reason why I want to come on here, you know, since with all this pandemic and everything, my boyfriend or fiance, whatever you want to call him, just went to get tested for COVID, and they said that that was one of the symptoms of COVID symptoms. I mean, I think I probably have like a little bit loss of taste, but not as bad. And I have like a little bit of coughing, but not as much. So it's like I'm constantly taking vitamins and also like drinking tea if I want to, you know, like lemon ginger tea. Like if I eat something that upsets my stomach, I will make me a lemon ginger tea or chamomile tea, like before bed. But yeah, after she gets done eating, she's gonna go either over here where this other water bucket is and get some water. So yeah, I just want to let y'all know what's going on. You know, even though with the process with the house and everything, you know, I mean, this is gonna be one big story. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and go, and I'll catch up or update y'all later on, maybe this week. And yeah.